thinking that I could have done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart. No making amends, no waking up beside you and holding you till we forget it all. How could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. You couldn't keep the door shut, and now the frostbite's creeping in. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here, so come home. Why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big...
Santorini, also known as Fira, is a picturesque island located in the southern Aegean Sea, Greece. It is part of a group of islands known as the Cyclades. Santorini is renowned for its stunning landscapes, whitewashed buildings with blue domes, beautiful sunsets, and its unique geological history. Santorini's geological history is one of its most fascinating features. The island's current shape and the formation of its iconic caldera can be attributed to a massive volcanic eruption that took place around 3,600 years ago. This eruption is often associated with the decline of the Minoan civilization on the nearby island of Crete. The explosion was so powerful that it led to the collapse of the central part of the island, creating a large crater that eventually filled with water from the Aegean Sea, forming the caldera. Caldera and cliffs. The caldera is the defining feature of Santorini's landscape. The sheer cliffs that encircle the caldera offer breathtaking views of the sea and nearby islands. The towns of Fira and Oia are situated atop these cliffs, offering stunning vistas. Visitors often take boat tours to explore the caldera's expanse, visit the islets within it, and experience the volcanic geography up close. Architecture and villages. The architecture of Santorini is a major draw for tourists. The island's traditional buildings are characterized by their whitewashed exteriors, blue-domed roofs, and narrow winding alleyways. Oia and Fira are two of the most famous villages showcasing this style. The Cycladic architecture isn't just visually appealing, it also serves functional purposes, as the white color helps to reflect sunlight and keep interiors cool during the hot summer months. Sunsets and views. Santorini is renowned for its spectacular sunsets, with Oia being the most popular spot to witness this natural phenomenon. Tourists gather early in the evening at viewpoints, along the caldera's edge, and in cafes to watch the sun dip below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the sea and the island's unique architecture. Beaches. The island offers a diverse range of beaches due to its volcanic origin. Kamari and Parisa beaches are known for their black volcanic sands, while Red Beach is famous for its unique reddish-brown sand and dramatic cliff backdrop. Visitors can enjoy swimming, sunbathing, and water sports in the crystal-clear waters of the Aegean Sea. Wine culture. Santorini's volcanic soil and unique climate have contributed to the growth of indigenous grape varieties, which in turn has given rise to a distinctive wine culture. The island is known for producing excellent wines, especially white varieties like Assyrtiko. Many wineries offer tours and tastings, giving visitors the opportunity to sample Santorini's renowned wines. Archaeological sites. The ancient Minoan settlement of Akrotiri is one of the most important archaeological sites on the island. Often referred to as the Pompeii of the Aegean, Akrotiri was buried under volcanic ash during the eruption and was remarkably well preserved. The site offers insights into the daily life, architecture, and culture of the prehistoric inhabitants of Santorini. Tourism and accommodation. Santorini's tourism industry has grown significantly over the years, making it one of the most sought-after travel destinations globally. The island offers a range of accommodations, from luxury resorts with caldera views to charming boutique hotels and traditional buildings. Due to its popularity, it's recommended to book accommodations and plan activities well in advance, especially during peak travel seasons. Cuisine and dining. Santorini's culinary scene is a delightful blend of traditional Greek flavors and local ingredients. Seafood is prominent on menus, reflecting the island's proximity to the sea. Many restaurants offer fresh catches prepared with a Mediterranean touch. Visitors can also savor local dishes like fava, a puree made from yellow split peas, and tomato keftides, fried tomato fritters. Dining on the caldera's edge while enjoying the sunset is a memorable experience. Activities and exploration. Beyond its stunning landscapes, Santorini offers a variety of activities for visitors to enjoy. Exploring the island's walking trails allows travelers to discover hidden gems, ancient ruins, and panoramic views. Water-based activities include sailing tours, snorkeling, and scuba diving, giving visitors the chance to appreciate the island's beauty from a different perspective. Island hopping and nearby destinations. Santorini's location within the Cyclades archipelago makes it an ideal starting point for exploring nearby islands. Visitors often opt for island hopping experiences, visiting places like Mykonos, Naxos, and Paros, each with its own unique charm and attractions. Transportation. Getting around Santorini is relatively easy. The island has a well-developed transportation system, including buses that connect major villages and tourist spots. Taxis, rental cars, and ATVs are also popular modes of transportation for exploring the island at one's own pace.